Hello everyone, welcome to Camera Entertainment Zone. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. You know how it's always do it on Camera Entertainment Zone. Today, no, there is news in the house. Here no be KSS or Big Paradise in studio, but there is matters and news in the house. Today we are coming to address a very sensitive issue that is going on. Ghana say ZXY Company Limited, a assembling TV company which is a Chinese-owned firm. Oh my Ghana mu Ghana Standard Authority etimi akọ shutting it down. Stay tuned, subscribe to this amazing channel, watch the video to the end to get the full details na Ghana Standard Authority etimi akọ shutting this company down. Now you be a video before another video of Ghana Standard Authority shutting a Chinese company that also manufacture foam. Ghana has say I'm shutting it down because they are not, incorporating in collaboration in cognitive of the association. Straight to the ana, to the cervix, to the peninsula, to the anus. God damn, anus. Any anus. What I say. So let me take you through the video. Yes. ZXY Company Limited, a Chinese-owned firm company, TV assembling company, right in Ghana here. Assemble a TV. What I say, your television that you're watching, they manufacture some in this country. And you manufacture or more a manufacturer, I don't know, outside Ghana. No more, they have a said ye what Toyota assembling plant. Ghana has say, so what I say. This is how they do their things. Now, there are so many companies in Ghana here which are operating, who are working in this country that are not being registered. So that means to say we have some certain things that it is not approved by the government. It is not registered under the government. So if they are selling us fake things, if they are doing things that will harm us, the government doesn't know. Until a lot of products outside Ghana. What I say, you talk, you do num, you di any share, you di ensasum, wabra any registered Ghana Standard Authority books sumu. So what I say. So TV XYZ. We have another TV stations. Mom use more multi TV. We have a TV station called TV XYZ. And no. It's it is not this one, and also a TV a year also. So what I say, but this time around this company was shut down by a Ghana Standard Authority. More reason I'm going to shut the company down. We say this company is not registered a Ghana Standard Authority book. They are operating, but they haven't registered their company. The Ghana Standard Authority, which is the GSA, doesn't know them. What I say, I'm binding them, but they are operating. And I don't know if say say a bit to me I explode, a bit to me cause harm to your health. It can cause anything. The government doesn't know this. And Ghana Standard Authority, they saying they are on operational campaign. To me any normal foreign companies, even local companies or more Ghana companies which is not being registered in their books. They are going around, making investigation, doing a lot of stuff to get in touch to know if they are registered or if they are not registered under the government. So if they found you that your company is not being registered under the government, then they are going to shut your company down, take you through the right procedure. Now, put me pass it through all of it, and then they give you back your license so that you can start operating your company once again. But this time around, they have caught a Chinese company who are operating or which is operating in this country. They are not registered under their books. So illegal ways of operating, and that shows how low our security system is. Because how come a person can come here, buy a land, build develop the infrastructure, and then at the same time start operating, getting workers, getting buyers, people sending their products in the market that they don't know. This company could have been around for like 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, and even many more. What I say, and then they doesn't know them. They are done. It shows our system is not in the right place. The old video that I did about the foam firm that was shut down. I saw a comment on my TikTok account. Someone was saying that they are just looking for money. The GSA is looking for money because we have a lot of companies in this country. They are operating without their knowledge. So they are just doing this just to get money. And for me, I don't know. So I mean, the opinion is all yours, and the comment section is all yours. You can also drop your comment, even your experience. You can leave it in the comment section. But before then, share this video, subscribe to this amazing channel for any updates on this kind of issues, entertainment issues, so that you get updated each and every time. Right on comment. Here is news headquarters. News headquarters. Yes, me no lying. Yeah, so this is ZXY Company Limited. What I say, a Chinese assembling TV firm Ghana, which has been shut down by a Ghana Standard Authority. Share this video to all your loved ones for them to also know the kind of this company. This company is at Afienya. What I say, Afienya, that is in Accra, Ghana. So if you have already purchased it, just know that it is not registered under Ghana Standard Authority. As say register under the Ghana Standard Authority, no doesn't mean say their product is not good. So what I say, it could be good and better, but they are not, accepted by the government of Ghana to be operating in this country. So that is the message. So share this video, yeah, and the comment section is all yours. You can also comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode of videos. Stick to the Superstar, and I'm out.